Hi everybody. I just came out here to enjoy some sunshine and fresh air. The air is a lot fresher the last couple of weeks since there's not so much traffic going by. And I wanted to share my beautiful jonquils and daffodils with you. I'm very much appreciating the cold. It's about 40 degrees here. And we have had kind of a strange winter. It was a little bit warmer, well, a lot warmer than what we're used to, and especially a lot warmer than I was used to when I grew up in Buffalo, New York, where it snowed and snowed and snowed. So I thought I'd give you a little tour of my yard. This is my kindling pile. Got plenty of kindling from all the branches that fall off my trees. Makes nice warm fire in my wood stove. And this back here, this is my peace wheel. I call it the peace wheel. It's an emissary wheel. It's an ancient meditation tool. It's about 10 feet across, and it's got a 12-point star. At the end of each star is a stone that I have painted with an attribute, such as understanding, patience, compassion, courage, agape love. And if I ever have anything I'm concerned about, if there's a dilemma, a problem to solve, I can go out and stand in the peace wheel and just still myself, become quiet. And I've been told by people who have come and visited the wheel that there is a special energy right at the center. And when my cat was alive, she used to curl up and sleep right in the middle, her napping spot. So there must be something to it, because it was just the funniest thing to see my cat right in the middle of that circle. I've got a picture of it. Moving on, this is old Mr. Sun, who guards my garden, and some empty planters, the empty bird bath frame. And this is my garden angel, one of them, who puts good energy into my perennial garden. And out beyond her, there are trees, some damper areas, and multiflora rose, which I plan to get out of here at some point, but for now it's a nice hideaway for the birds. And I'm going to take you over to my bird feeder. And out there, that lighter area, that's a field where a few minutes ago about 6 deer went running across because somebody shot off a gun, and I think they were a little concerned. More trees, more trees. Some forsythia and my bird feeder. And the birds are really what brought me out here. They're fascinating. They're my family. I like to sit in the kitchen when I eat, and we'll look out at the birds and listen to them. Just watching them it's kind of like fish in an aquarium. They're very soothing. I read a book a couple of years ago called What the Robin Knows by John Young. And in that book, John invites you to sit outside, very, very quiet, very still, and just listen to the birds and watch, observe. And from that book, I learned that the birds are very cooperative. You may see them squabbling at a feeder, but they get over those squabbles very quickly because they have to be on alert all the time. They have to take care of each other, and they do in extraordinary ways. Whenever there's a predator, if it's a hawk, a cat, a fox, or a human. They have a specific call for each of those predators. And one or two birds will start giving the call. Hey guys, there's trouble in the neighborhood. Go to your spots. And these calls will tell the birds what kind of a predator it is. Just amazing. And based on what they hear in that call, they know where in the yard to go to be safe. They know if they need to go up high. They know if they need to go to a certain kind of tree and be really covered up. It doesn't matter if it's a blue jay or a cardinal, a finch, a chickadee. All the birds help each other stay safe, stay well, stay out of trouble. And that's what we can do. We can learn from the birds and help each other during this crazy time of virus that's gone around the world. So I invite you to spend some time observing the birds, observing their wisdom and the way they help each other. And stay safe, stay well, and be good to each other, be kind. Thank you for listening. Much love. Talk to you soon.